Hello everyone! In today's tutorial, I will show you how to repair your Origin games or EA games. So sometimes when you open your game, you can encounter some problems in the launcher, and this is due to maybe some missing files that you could be deleted by mistakes, or some corrupted files, or it can be a cause of a virus or something. But the solution is easy. You have just to launch the repair option in the Origin games, so it works like the troubleshootings in Windows. It will scan the files and then it will just repair them or reinstall the corrupted files. Let's, without any late, to find the repair option, you just click on your game. You can find it here in the install games, or you just come to collection and you will find your list of games, installed one, and then you just click on corrupted game. Then you click on manage. Here you will find too many buttons, but don't get lost. You just click on manage, and then you will just click on repair, and as you can see it will be repairing itself. So uh, in by this method you will just have to wait until the application or the origin finish the repairing by itself. It really takes too much time, but you will have just to wait, and then after it finishes you will find that your game has been repaired and that you can play your game again. Thank you for watching and goodbye.